Hello friends, your tricks. So this video I'm going to show you how to create this kind of hill shade raster. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Our input layer is DEM layer, which is digital elevation layer. This contains contour or elevation variation of the earth. So I have a raster layer which have already cropped, and we are going to have hill shade, otherwise this kind of raster from that. So go to raster and terrain analysis and go to hill shade, and here elevation layer, outclip. Our elevation layer is outclip, and output layer, we want to give output layer name hill 1, and here is set factor, that's mean elevation factor. This case I am going to give 1, or otherwise if you want from 2, that's mean from which value it should be bigger. So I here put 1 and just OK. This is my output. You can see based on the raster I have hill shade raster. These are lakes and these are elevated areas. Thank you very much. If you learned something, please subscribe.